Okay, I'm going to show you how to make homemade macaroni and cheese. There's several different recipes for this, but I myself use a certain recipe. And what you'll need is the elbow macaroni. Any kind is fine. I just use the Walmart brand. Butter. Any type of butter is always fine. I just use the Country Crock, And then also you'll need flour. I also use the Walmart brand of flour. Milk, any kind, 2%, 1%, fat free. I use 2%. And you will also need salt. And then as well as your measuring cups, a strainer for the macaroni, and then I use a pan about this size, which fits it all perfectly. And then you'll need measuring cups, a 1/4 cup, a teaspoon, as well as you will need a 1 cup, as well as a 1/2 cup. So the 1 cup is fine. And what you'll do, I actually have it all mixed together already. So this is all mixed together. What you will do, you'll actually mix 1/4 cup of the butter. So 1/4 cup of butter. You're going to also do 1/4 cup of the flour, as well as a teaspoon of salt, as well as milk. Now, you're actually going to need 4 cups of milk. So you'll have to just put 4 cups of milk, mix that all together in a bowl. I use just a little plastic container. You can use a bowl, any bowl that it will fit in. And then also you set your oven to 350 while the macaroni is cooking, as well as I already have that cooking in here. I actually use 2 separate macaronis. Well, I'm sorry, 2 separate bowls for the macaroni, just because I don't actually have a big one to fit them all in. And then also what you need is cheese. Now you need 1 pound of cheese. I use the sharp light cheddar cheese, just the block cheese. And what I usually do while the macaroni and everything is cooking, I just cut them up into little slices like this. You can use any type of cheese you want. You can use even shredded cheese. That's actually what the original recipe said to use, but I like to use the block cheese. It's all going to melt in the same, so it doesn't really matter. And you just cut them up into little slices. It's all going to melt away. And then, while those are all cut up, you'll then mix the macaroni, cheese, and all the other ingredients into a larger bowl over the stove. You can use a bigger pan like you cook spaghetti in. You mix those all up. Wait for the cheese to melt. As soon as that melts down, you will end up putting it into the bigger pan and put it in the oven for about 35 minutes till the top is golden brown, or however you like it. You can also mix in crackers in it. I personally don't like the crackers mixed in, but you can also mix saltine crackers in, crunch them up into a little bowl, mix them in, add a little bit more taste to the macaroni. And then after that's done cooking for about 35 minutes, it's all set to go and you'll be ready to eat.